Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Blessed love. The guys say, no, it's a regular night market night. But I'm not here for too long. I'm here to just pick up something for someone that's really in need. As well as the situation that they have.
You had met with them?
You know.
Yeah.
I'm not sure of the situation, you know, what's the cause of it, because there's this recipient, you know, it's not on the program, but about they watch the program and heard about yeah. But I think he's having some reaction with some loads of bumps, you know, coming on his face, you know, his eye, and he's got a sore as well to that. Literally the bumps them like literally make it into a sore as well, so a really bad feet, you know. So he spoke to Yaya and say, and then Yaya tell me, well, he could reach out to me whenever I'm coming here. I could just collect it for him. So that is the plan for me today, you know, to just literally just collect it for him and then just head on, you know. That is the whole idea of everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, you know, just eat something, collect that, and then just move. Because, you know, it goes already, so it's been a long day anyway. So that is the plan for tonight. So it's not going to be a long video of night market tonight. It's a quick, short and spicy one, you know, picking up. So maybe Yaya can explain to me what the guy is facing, you know, because so Yaya want to be literally involved in his situation to bring him back up to par, you know, up to standard or it was before, because trust me, when I see him for myself, it wasn't looking good neither as well too, you know. So I don't know what to call it, you know, it's like a fungus breaking out in a bad way, you know, really break out in a bad way on him all over till it becomes sore on his feet, and it's like it's just eating his foot away as well too, you know, like when I saw it, I'm like, wow. So he went to the doctor, they've been giving him medication as well, but the medication he says is not working, what they've been giving him, so he's trying the herbal way. So I'm here now.
Greetings to the mighty Imperial Majesty and King Selassie the First. None before and none after. Kingston Night Market is a wonderful room. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Cranberry Legend. You can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. My name is Cranberry Legend. Baron Queen, big up yourself. Who am I? My life ain't no fairy tale. My life ain't no better rose. My life ain't no fairy tale. My life ain't no better rose. Me do good and everyone be evil. Want me live like evil Steve. Me hungry, them give me flour with weevil. Moving like and able. But Rasta youth is willing and able to put food on the table. They gonna see me acting feeble. Rasta youth is stable. My life ain't no fairy tale. My life ain't no better road. My life ain't no fairy tale. My life ain't no better road. Them brand me as a bad man, say me don't live long, but I just keep I strong. I keep holding on. Though the storm is on, I'm treading on. Hey, Lord, straight, bonfire hot. Hey, yeah. They brand me as a gunman. Say me don't live long, but I just keep my strong. I keep holding on. Till the storm is on, I'm treading on. Hey, Lord, the Lord, the Lord. Hey, child, you see how you know. So my life, wherever you're from, let me hear say, alright. Mama, me hear you say, alright. Who are you? Selassie, Tamba the legendary.
Alright, give it up for Tamba the legendary. Give me a big round of applause on that, right? Yes, if you're just coming in, it's the launch of the Weed Baby.
Fire is when I bring them thing up to one way you think them and tell them how much you think them for. Yeah? Some go to work. Yeah. Right, quinoa, so we have some quinoa right now.
Quinoa.
Yeah, and this is a red quinoa. So you know it's a quinoa.
Yes, it's a quinoa.
Something you haven't seen.
So that's some quinoa. He's adding. You also got some juices here, natural juice.
Okay, but
natural.
Last week Tuesday as well. Yeah, what's going on now? Last week Tuesday. That's what beans stew.
Beans stew. Yeah.
Some color.
Looking good for you.
Yeah. Bulgar, you're good.
Yeah, little bulgar. Little bulgar, right. I have some.
These are some sweet and sour chickpeas.
Sweet and sour chickpea.
Yes, sir. These are the falafel. The lentil falafel.
Falafel. Falafel me. Falafel you. This is some cauliflower. See the steam coming out of the cauliflower. Well pressed. Some pressed cauliflower. Presentation, wonderful guys. Vegetable. I know you guys mouth are run water right now looking at this. All healthy. This is your wealth, make you wealthy.
Alright, so we talk here. I think they may have seen it like a youth center. The line up there so them are burning.
Yeah. One key, you know.
One fully loaded.
Yeah.
No?
That is it. That is it. That is it.
Well said, Papa said. Belly ready when I'm fret. When you're hungry, they will remain a fret because they know them again. Wealth. Pick up yourself, son, Scott. Yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna sit down and eat this because I guess Yaya is running a bit late. He's not here as yet. Big screen thing going on here, you know. Big screen. Nelly's here, but Yaya is not here. So.
Yaya's here?
No? I said Melly's here, but Yaya is not here.
This is my seat.
Seven, you're lucky. I almost took your seat, Seven. Can I...
That one. You sit right here.
Alright, Seven. Alright.
Yeah, it's here.
Craft market at 1:30.
I was wondering, you know, shouldn't have come back at 5,000 dollars. You're supposed to have the change, but not the change. What kind of book? Seven.
I talk back up higher.
Like that rain on the fall. Yeah? Go front again. What the arm dinner? Yeah. What? Yeah. Cheers! Yo. Cheers! Come in a cheers! Cheers!
Want to listen to the money in that car, I don't really want to know nothing from 5, I don't know like that.
Cheers!
Highly blessed in our cause, love and prosperity.
Our life, more stress.
Love my cousin.
Good, man.
You understand?
You understand?
I'm gonna stop here.
Cheers!
No, understand.
Cheers! Hey, Shay! Hello, good night.
You need for going there?
Where you going?
You need for going in the store?
Up a mommy, but I go with them. They want us to see Cranberry.
A long time in a car, in a car.
Tomorrow we go up and go work. Alright guys, well. They said love, guys. I just reaching Trenchtown. So Shay, remember Hero? That's Hero.
Hey Shay. What's her name?
Shay.
I like. Look for the name good now.
My one is EA though.
Okay. But that's saying have it from my aunt. Have your lot said way, man.
Yeah, but relax.
Have a lot,
Hey.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Nice to
Nice
meet
meeting you too.
Whoa.
you. Yeah, nice and smoothie.
Hello.
Is it nice and smooth?
Think it wrong?
It's smooth.
It's smooth. Whoa, you know. Whoa, yeah, eat pure chicken back from Walmart. Yeah. You might taste a pure chicken back for your mouth.
Just a car, but you need to find him there for me. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying, yeah,
No, I know.
Yo, I end up on Mama River now. Bring me up on Mama River.
We just come from.
Oh, you come for the work in Baja.
Man, Baja, out there, I come from.
Tomorrow we go somewhere. Yeah, I'll put in somewhere.
Okay.
Alright guys, so anything that we have Shay back in the dealing again. Anything that we got she got finally got a chance to go and meet Cranberry and the family, you know, so that's where we're gonna head to right now. You know, so we're gonna head up there right now for she to go and meet them. You ready for the journey?
Yeah, man, I'm ready.
Ready, she's ready.
So I'm there, but
Wednesday?
yeah.
Okay, now wash off.
Yes.
Whoa! Them I go wash off in the era.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Yeah.
I do some washing.
Okay.
Yeah, make it.
Yeah, make it. There's a movements. Boom, call 30 grand.
Nice to meet you.
You too, man.
So you're not coming out, husband?
Huh? Huh?
No, never mind.
No, she said she said look on the hand. You never see the hand. Here, look. Show him again.
Not at all.
Not at all, here.
No, I can't bother. Let me stay here,
Not at all. She said nothing on the finger.
Nothing at all.
Hey, Jackson, what go on?
I look so good.
Alright, so we can't look good without a husband.
Let me go down on my yard.
Yeah.
I'm body there so quiet. Why you don't want nobody?
Blessings. You good? Always good. Nice to see you again.
What go on?
There, man. Head up at the river.
I'm on the river.
Yeah. Head up there right now.
Right now?
Is it 30 grand? Alright, you want to endo?
Yeah, man, enough.
Thing go on.
Yeah, man, there, man.
You know the thing go on.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we gotta do some work up there.
Tomorrow we have to go the same way. But I go with them still.
Yeah, cool.
I'm on the river.
You know what? What's your name?
Me name Nano Sense.
Nano Sense. More you tell them what type of your wrist right now.
Skin past bone.
Got your flesh.
You understand?
Because you know, it gone past bone. Right?
You understand? Skin past bone. Talk to me.
Right past. Hey, no, what's the man? Raja. Yo, the man glass now. Nothing on it, you can see the glass there, but anything the body gone. And they see the bling bling. You know what it's worth. Look bad. They say put on the changer, alright.
Yes, coming around go.
Hey boy, you have company still.
Yeah,
you have somebody will drop with you. 30 can will drop with you, don't worry. Nah, drop with that.
Say I'll catch me.
Nah, drop from Muddy. Stand up firm, Muddy.
He's standing firm. Alright guys, so we're here now, we're here at Mama River. And we're here with Shay World. You know, she's here wanting to see Cranberry and the family, you know, so she's here as well too. So yes, so guys, so you know the thing goes, we're going to come do some work as well too for Cranberry and tomorrow. You know, so tomorrow now we and the team is out again to come do some work for the family also, you know, so because we have a guest why we literally come today, you know, because I have some donation that I did need to write up as well too. So I never get a chance to get to. So we never get a chance to literally write up the donation, so tomorrow, well, tomorrow we're coming to work, so I'm still going to get a chance the day after to write up the donation because we got some donation towards, you know, helping out Cranberry and one and two of the members then also. I would thank you so much, you know, for the blessing, you know. So here we have Shay.
One who control the land of the land of the
Oh, you're a place, man. Oh, you know, ready, I lock it off. Okay. So Shay, welcome again, Shay.
Yes, I'm back in the place.
So give yourself a shout out.
Yeah, guys, it's Shay from Shay's World TV. Run over there, subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, guys, and let me know what's going on. You understand? I'm here again, guys. I'm going to see Cranberry today. I wanted to see her from the last time, which, you know, I had to leave. So now I'm back. And then guess what? She's lucky again because my flight cancelled.
Hey.
So I'm going to get fit come.
Yes.
Yes, I'm here, guys. You know?
Yes, guys.
Hanging out with Akeynote today.
Yes, guys. So go and check out Shay's World TV. You know, I'll put the link there in the description. You know, please go and support her. You went to Westmoreland as well, too?
I went to Westmoreland, I did Trelawney, and Sunday I did St. Elizabeth.
Okay.
Yeah, so you guys will see those videos as, you know, soon.
Yes. Alright. And a shine in a ball head. Yeah, man.
Big bad man.
Ball head. Where you have for me?
What is the building? What is
Yeah, that part that as well too. So if you buy
so like somebody did live in that or something? What was that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Basically.
Okay.
But so him now him are the caretaker.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Where so where you have for me? Yeah. Alright, you have Aki and them something there. Alright, when I come back down. So him are the caretaker.
Okay.
If you have money right now, man, gone, man. You know, wait till next tomorrow.
Oh, Because you have a pool, another this alone, you know. You go further down. Yeah, from further down. And you have a next side, you have house as well too over there, panic.
2.6 acres ain't no joke.
Yeah. And some whole heap of US they matter about, you know.
Yeah?
Whole heap of US. Because
Well, like Jay-Z and Beyonce money.
yeah, because the last time I tell me, say, what, 2 million US?
What?
I mean, I want to know if I'm serious about that. He said, that's how I go for.
Oh.
Let me see. Okay, so at least the river never come down. Water still clear. So Shay's World.
Your partner, you know, you look at water project, you can get deep out and there is something. There is
So you also have one at the next side, there's a pool on the next side.
Which next side?
The same place around there, yeah. So I used to have the pool here, but from Melissa, the bag and the washer.
So come cook already, right?
Yeah, all the time. You come here tomorrow, come cook and work.
So wash that thing, okay, I roll out too.
Yeah, of course. And come out tomorrow, man.
So that's why I'm taking that long time. I mean, some fish in the house,
Yeah.
yeah.
So now come out and yeah.
Some fish in the house.
So now come out in the morning, you know, like open from the morning. Yeah. So that's how we cook over here. With the dog, once a day, then. You can't walk in the water, but you can't walk up here. I have to walk this side then. Walk this side, so I'm coming here.
You walk in the water?
If I walk on the side here, the water, that's why.
On the side here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just walk here, just walk back there, and come over here, so. Come.
That's great. What kind of exercise this?
Exercise is needed.
May I work out still? It's just a help back to it.
You see? Not bad. It looks bad, but not bad. White nose.
Hello, Casey and I come. Should I come? We're reaching the water already. Alright, so it's a walk.
Now walk, 30 grand. Take your time, you know, take your time. Take your time. Alright. She made it. She made it. They're not coming. Eh? Yeah, they could have walked if you asked them.
Easy walk.
Mm-hmm.
Easy walk. You walk. Right, that's it. Walk.
Show her the walk.
Derek! Listen to me.
You can cross on a rock here. I can go up here so then. Up there some. Just walk, continue to walk up on the rock. I can walk in the water right here. Just take off your slippers and walk in the water. Yeah. Take off your slippers.
Watch me now. Walk this and go up this and come and walk, come cross. See this up?
To the water wet. You say you're tune us to the water wet. That's actually the water wet.
Water wet. Who's the water wet?
Yeah. But the water wet, so you have to be careful. Yeah. Go first.
No man, I'm parked up this way.
Shea, what she said the water?
Hello.
Orange.
Shea. What she said the water wet?
Junior tell her about the water wet.
Oh, Junior. Are you tell her so the water wet?
The water wet? I'm ready to say you tell her because.
Yeah.
Which one she got?
She'll find something.
Junior, come catch her for the big
Oh, see
stone
that
there.
cross.
Yeah, watch her. Watch her for the big stone there.
Bro, so you're not going to tell me say the water wet?
No, I'm being trouble. Let me give me a settle for that so
Yeah, of course the water wet.
water wet, man.
Yeah. You have to be careful here because the water is very wet.
Very wet.
Man, you slip.
When I come to Mommy Bay, be careful.
Mama River?
Yeah. Why me I say Mommy Bay?
Yeah.
I say name her.
Mommy River.
Mommy. You must tired.
You must have anything. She road under.
Yeah.
She don't go up the hill, but she can't go up the hill. She can go there, man.
You can make it? Of course. Exercise.
Right.
Get ready, man. Know yourself. You can't hide now.
She a fit, man. She a fit.
Now work out, so.
Yeah, she a fit.
Can't embarrass my little team, you know. I really expect the water to be dry.
This is Rising Animals. Grab. Come, boom. Come help her here, sir.
What up, man?
Boom, come help her.
Yeah. Listen, I need help.
Yeah. I don't know if I can help you say, but give some guidance still. Oh, she make it work, man.
Thank you, though.
She making it work. Take that up. Yeah. Evening. Where? Green lizard? Where? Oh, are you afraid of lizard?
What? Move. Yeah, move. Good evening. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Come here, you know.
Yeah.
Shay, charge, Shay.
Yeah.
And you have Nana, Telco. Charge them tell us that tomorrow we come work.
Tomorrow.
Can she not tell them?
No, she never tell me.
She eat the message?
She not tell me say that a week. She says what she never tell me so.
Kenisha! Where is she? Kenisha!
Hey, go do your foot.
I give you assignment. What go on?
She now have on the slippers.
I give you assignment. What's up? What?
Even viewers.
What go with the assignment I give you?
I don't say I deal with.
Remember.
You remember? Charge it. You can't tell him now.
You don't go to church, so you don't remember.
Can't tell him now.
I remember. Oh, when I tell him say there was a guest coming today.
And?
And he come for work. But they tell him that also.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow we are coming and come put in some work. So ready. Hello Nana. So Nana, this is Shay. Come read Cranberry. Come here, stop shy of yourself because you're not shy. Oh yeah, look man. So, she must look man.
Right?
Look man.
Come look for her. You come give her a hug.
Right. Hi, Cranberry.
Remember, she come look for Oni, you know.
Hi, Nana. This is Nana, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Nana. And Toko.
Hi.
Why is she hiding?
Me say anytime Akeynote come, she hide. I don't know why she shy.
She's shy.
Tell her, Mom.
Shy. Nana, what go on with your foot now?
Foot cut.
How come?
I'm about to cut her.
We're going to river.
So she have to wear shoes when she has go.
And look how much shoes in her
But
have.
she have to just walk on her foot. But tell her say, don't go here. I have to take a heel, she have to walk on it.
A big cut she get?
But it a heal up now.
From when that happened?
About 3 days now.
Hey. Oh, share, Nana. It hurt you? It hurt you now? Okay.
Nana strong.
Yeah, man, Nana strong and Toko strong. Come to the river around the pool, it work?
You know, sir, the rain come, but I don't know if it cool down, but it deep.
Look, cover me. It's not cover.
Yeah.
A lie. You cover Toko like that.
Around that deep, you know. Gonna go down.
To your neck?
Come down.
Jason, now you can follow
No, but them can't swim.
No, it's
I'm a big swimmer.
my neck.
Mm.
You cover me right here, sir.
Oh.
Because this I go Jason Gano, because she has said she don't know if you go come back. No.
Oh.
To come look for me.
Can you teach her to swim? Because she want to learn to swim, you know.
Yeah, swim today. We are getting on with swimming gears.
Yeah, we're going in the water, yeah.
Yeah.
You coming?
I go help you.
Yeah, we are home.
You
Going
know
in the
we
water.
not left you, though.
Alright, we're going in the water today.
We are left him.
Why? Akeynote can't swim?
No,
swim, man. He can't help himself. Oh, you love provoke?
No, provoke me.
I know say anytime he come here and him die.
I'm going time I come.
Yes, daddy.
Oh, so, different data I get right now.
You know, so Jason, you ask Akeynote. The Saturday, I go down to my granny and Jason, he say, I want to come, I say, I can't bring your car, money I collect and grocery. So I'm going to the store, go buy well for goods. So when I come home, my mother said, first I see I bring home so much things. Normally, you know, I go on the road and buy things. So I buy vegetable and rice to cook. And say, if Akeynote come, I can look for local food. So I dream them, me and my
You
mother.
cook today?
My mother.
Okay. Where you
Same.
cook?
Rice and chicken. I'm going to put local white meat and the pop through in. How mother yes said she want it nice.
So you do that all by yourself or mommy? Okay.
Sometimes can do it by myself, mother not to help. Because what the Akeynote come church me and pop popcorn and taste it and say what?
What you say?
My daughter cook this.
It was good.
Yeah, so it said nice.
So basically,
me? Yeah.
me ask her to tell her, say, yo, why my belly gonna start hurt me?
Bring your doctor.
You know what in belly.
And then the doctor she want to bring me. That's all. You know? No. Oh.
She can't manage it, Ilya. Watch her.
Yeah. Me see when she step up, man. That's why she turn back.
She tired. She name Stacey. She will have seat for her.
You know when she turn back, me see when she turn. That's why me asking her.
She was something this. She unfit bad. She catch her there. She very unfit.
Yeah. Well, Nana, where you go do?
One Stacey, look how far she is.
You gotta change.
Stacey!
So Nana change already.
You give up?
Already.
Nana ready.
Stacey!
Yeah, man. She not here, no man.
You used to the flat too much.
Yeah.
You have to get out the flat.
For the best though.
Yeah. Charge the plan. Pop show.
And pumpkin, don't listen. Fine. Where you get melon from?
Tomorrow is work time. Nana foot hurt. Usher and Nana, you must wear your shoes, okay? Or your slippers. Wait, miss, let me ask you again once more. Stand up right here, sir.
Yes, daddy.
Where is your underbra you're supposed to be wearing?
None.
What do you mean you have none? You need to go put it on, put something on over that. Are you supposed to, come here. Where is them? What do you mean you don't have none? You didn't have them?
My mother wash one and Nana dash one of my bras here.
You dash
my mother
one?
asked her why she, you see one we can't lock in, she dash it down her bras. So my mother say, she wash it in her water. My mother say, why you do that?
There's so much underbra that were bad for you. Want all of them, you not take care of them.
I have them like something like wear them like jump.
Like jump so they're not clean.
Yeah, my mother pack up every single thing from me. Cause she wash through them pit me.
Go and look one to put on, go on. Charger, what to your finger now?
No, they want for me there to sit on the saw cut, man.
Charger, one more cut.
Oh man, I want to look simple to man. The answer me that use, man, and pipe me that cut so it just.
Axa blade?
No, the answer.
Oh, the Jaja. So we which hand you use, right hand or left hand?
Right hand, you.
Right hand. So you end up cut your right hand? Oh, your left hand?
Left hand.
Oh, left hand him cut. Yeah. Yeah? No, sometimes you get them confused, you know. You get them confused, you have to look sometime and say, okay, you know. But I realize what I go on.
Just alright to bless him.
Oh. Because we don't want to stay long again now. We'll link yeah again.
I tell you.
We'll link yeah. It bad cut? It cut bad? Oh, she must see about the bandit.
Yeah, can't you to that bleed? Just cover it. Just not too long at me, you know, can't you? Just not too long.
Just a while ago?
Yeah, just something.
Okay. But you have your bitters them, right?
Yeah.
Sweet on them. So yes, welcome to the wilderness of Mama River, you know? Of Mama River. So guys, as you can see, for share viewers them, this is one of the projects them that we're literally helping out the family, you know, to complete. You know, first it was a one room before, and now through donation, we do some expansion.
Yeah.
You know, so we're here to come give a helping hand because we're going to take over and try to finish it off for them and everything. So that's why we'll come back here tomorrow to do some work because Marge the builder we have time tomorrow. So that's why I come over there. So
the other project is where? Behind this or? The other one you're doing for them is where?
No, it's this one.
Is this one, it extends to the back?
Yeah. Oh. It's coming from the back.
Oh, from the back.
So add on this room, add on, and the bathroom, and the kitchen. So you see
the
kitchen.
Yeah. See the kitchen?
So this is how the father did that bill. So we're gonna literally take charge.
Oh.
You know?
Okay. Yeah, it didn't look bad.
So we're gonna take charge and deal with it.
Yeah.
And the father be looking, you know, because he can help himself, you know.
Which is good.
So
Very good.
but you kind of under pressure, so we have to kind of help him and fix it up.
Okay.
You know, because the bathroom is like, we give some assistance. Because we come and they never, so the lights there. So we come run some wires as well to so that we can have proper lighting and everything.
Yeah. We just have to talk about the lighting because me afraid of the dark. Me?
Because through the wire them, as you can see the wire them they're about.
Stay body, yeah. Them is hazard, you know.
So you can see the father them that try to help himself, you know, but with us.
Oh, I'm tired this himself too?
Everything. We just don't give them some the donation to assist themselves. But through the kind of in and out of hospital.
Right. I saw that, yeah.
So that's how we kind of said we could step in now and try to help finish off what we can finish off. Okay. So we have to just work with the time we get from Baja whenever I'm free.
So I have some donations for them today as well. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want to do it before you go to the river?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. We still miss.
Mother tell me to swim in a dress.
You got swim in a dress?
That's what she said.
Alright, Ken. Come, shove some donation phone. Come. Goodness, come Tara, come to your donation. Come for your money, Tara. Come. Do see what?
We have make practice with him.
You should practice?
Oh, yeah, come on now.
Yeah, she come out in her bell foot. Come here.
Run, go.
Come, Tara, come.
Tara, if you want ice, no. But if you want something to come from.
She's not shy.
You know, you see something.
Come, stand up, come.
You see something that we love by foot, you know. The something that where Esther bring the foreign something with the calf-plate. But buy one, something they want.
What?
The oaks.
One. The oaks?
The
oaks? Oreo?
Yeah. And my sister love it. Them don't want to take the whole lot.
Alright then guys, so here we are with Shay. You know I'm saying Shay brought her blessings also for the family. You know, some donation to help out a situation, you know, which is as promised. I would thank her so much. It's not the first, she did it already. And she's here to do it again, you know, I want to thank her. So guys, so please remember to go over and show Shay some love. Please go and subscribe. Because she's been doing a good deed, not just only me, but she's been supporting the needy up in Jamaica. So please give her some support. Go over there and subscribe. You know, so here she's sharing her blessings, you know, I know it's gonna go a long way.
Alright, so guess what, guys? So this is for you, Cranberry.
Thank you. What's your name?
Shay.
Shane, thank you so much.
Shay.
Thank you so much, and make a full basket never empty.
Thank you.
And may God bless you.
Thank you.
We have Nana.
Shay, thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Thank you, baby.
Tara. Then Tara.
And may God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Tara.
Sarah. Thank you. Your voice low, but may I hear you.
Come closer and Kenisha and
Yeah,
charge it.
Kenisha, come. Alright, so this is for you.
Kenisha.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And may God bless you in everything that you're doing this year. I said it already, and I'm here, you're here, and I'm saying it again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And may God bless you for everything that you have done and do for Westmoreland also. Thank you so much. I'm going to tell you, as I said, you see, God is working mysterious ways. I'm going to tell you, He will provide that He could even see that He provided for you. And I'm saying thank you from my children and on behalf of my children, thank you so much.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome.
Chargy.
Chargy?
Right, thank you. Thanks again. And I will bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, man. You guys are welcome. It's a pleasure to help. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. So, river time? Yeah. Alright. Be it off in the river, man. That's all you have to do.
You come back here and say water wet.
The water is wet. Guys, so we're going to head down to the river. You know, because she just paid for a swimming lesson.
Alright.
You know, so she just paid for the swimming lesson, guys. So the donation that she gave is paying for her swimming lesson. So give thanks. So. Charge, you get rain, then you're good.
Yeah, yes, go on.
Yeah, you get some rain.
So what are these? Pop chow?
Pop chow.
Yes, the customer about them.
Well, there's so many remedy with them give. So Kenisha, you saw the remedy name in the comment section?
Yeah.
So which one did I use now? Yeah.
See him so much at you. Can you say keep them from it?
Okay.
I told the real.
Oh.
No, sir. What's the wait?
Tell them we teach you for swim.
Teach me?
No, you go so no, look here. You say we are teach people swim, you go and they did down.
Raja, we are going to the pool side one, I say. Come in the ground.
Choco.
Brazil side, this
Choco
Brazil.
loco.
Brazil side can't make it.
Oh, come in, we're going on the other side.
They want to select Joe Pedro and Astafel. Want somebody from the player at the club can select either Astafel or Joe Pedro.
Who was it?
See the layers them.
Two man to the Chelsea, and one man can select out of the group.
No go somewhere.
Lot more, no brother.
For your country.
I mean,
No go somewhere.
they want to bring Astafel and left Joe Pedro.
No,
man.
Country over.
That's why they don't want easier.
We'll never tell her, I know she's gone.
Which I go?
Yeah. What's up, man? Your job.
Cranberry. So we are going now.
Them say cold front I come back again.
Yeah man, come on.
Don't it? How you doing? I'm happy for the cold front, boy. It's a snowstorm over there.
Snowstorm around here.
No, I can't wait. I just the love the way to the eye. Then our thing now where them buy and put over the chair like that properly. So when this get done, so it's easy.
Let's just lose some pound.
What's your problem with walking? Can you ever hear about Mother said Nature River?
Yeah. Yeah.
You ever go there?
One time.
Okay, so you know what kind of walking it takes to go there?
What?
Never again.
The pull long?
No, it's still there.
No, she me talk. So she the pull long.
Oh, okay.
Yeah man, you carry park way up and walk way down.
Now do that again.
No, style. The one time I go there for go come here look for some rivers.
Oh yeah, I look for river.
Yeah. And them tell me about Motherfed. I'm go check it out. Oh, the pool pull down. Ready, wash down? No.
So who set it up?
It's wash down. Oh. So breakaway, them are breakaway right there. So usually that's a full up. Yeah. There's a breakaway again. A true pure rain been falling up here as well, team. That's why. When you pull on today?
Yesterday when the river come down.
Oh, the river come down yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get some rain. And the rain falling.
Oh, you can see the river up at the
Mud.
Yeah.
The water cold.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, and the rain start coming. You know, jump out of the water just to remember.
Oh, Lila.
Yeah. And that's it.
Like take a half a pool, like half up is a half down here, so.
Half a pool.
That me I said too.
So all of this wash them in yesterday.
Yeah.
The boy yesterday come on and phone me and start fall around like deep. And that all of them are going on. You take a bubble.
Yeah?
No well deep.
That's not water wet. Mommy can't say I say water wet and then
I say again.
In Brave water, I love the water.
Yeah, boy. See your pocket that's not clean enough.
The most chance. You should have there the day when he must swim.
Yeah?
That's when the pool is set up.
Secure there?
Water come up high when it's set up, right?
Yeah.
That way there, so.
They're up on the rock then.
Go on and mirror.
Because they make it apart, yeah.
So when the pool set up, you have a more better, they can chuck off, you know?
And the sandbag, the back of the fix back.
Yeah.
Most of my must fix them.
You fix them, your father?
No man, the person where
The same person really, so?
different, because you know people just set it up for people can come here and well advise.
How do you want some people come to the pool, pool done bill. You know the woman said we can't go to the pool keep up
So basically the river came down yesterday as well to say kind of wash away the sandbags, you know, that they set up, you know, to make a like leverage and the water. So the river came down and washed it. That's why you see it so low. Oh. Cranberry now bother with the water.
Akeynote?
What?
I don't know.
Eh?
Devon.
Devon where?
Devon.
Devon house? Like give me the money?
I don't want to.
Yeah, you don't know Devon no.
I just said me away for we sat there and I said Akeynote say my boy no about them about.
Me?
Yeah.
Me say me I come for Devon no?
They sat there and they tell Nana and you say for clean up, you have to bring away.
Well, I never tell you when I go bring him.
I said they said they are ball and me I come try to do it, I say I think that they come. I mean I tell us when the ball is not go bother come, they do away for clean. what does she want going in?
It's weird.
You're not going there. So the water cooler that I clean, but no I'm going to let it water here.
She not about to go nice.
She said she'll come tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, bring her tomorrow then.
Tomorrow we come work.
What time? When school over?
Huh? Yeah, it did. But apparently the river come down yesterday and wash out the bag.
It should have come yesterday when it is big. Nah, it's there for yesterday me talk. Not that yesterday me talk the day before. Cause what are we run at Jason and you boom. The woman said, I want to tell the girl, there are some people that want to me say, hey, come, run. Yeah, but you're not going to okay, and the bike comes say, run and swim and go look up people, pick the little girl in the water, right? That's our mother. I know it's a kid that can't have shorter breath. Akeyno, you can have longer breath underwater.
Longer breath.
You can't do that. Me underwater, me underwater. Me can't underwater long.
A big swimmer when she can swim. Water wet.
Yes, water is very wet. But if you didn't know that I got to go through. Derek, all of the people is not going to fire. Yo! All of the chances of some fire. You know the bad guy.
Come tomorrow and they say more the same.
Okay, so I'm blue.
Why? No, sir.
Yeah, go the other day when you come.
The bag them need to set up first.
No, if you come tomorrow, I build up. Ask him if you can go in there.
We're going to build it up.
We're going to make the kids build it up.
Oh, that now finishing one day.
Yeah.
Right, there's
You too much sand too.
the river keep on a wash down the bag. Nana, cool now. Cool, Nana.
Everybody's cool.
Cool.
Tomorrow when you come here to the dive, you know, you're going to see in all.
So it's been a lot of rain keep falling as well to these sides. So the bag them wash away again and again and again. So each time the bag keep washing away. I meet you by the river. Ma relax. Ma relax. So this is all the mud as well to that wash down as well. Here more. So the river came down and cover. The river literally came down and cover all of this. Cover the rocks then. Tara, cool now. Tara, you cool. Tara, cool. Tara. Tara, cool. Hey, Tara, eh. Eh. Hey, Tara, eh. Take it now. Take it now, Tara. Nana, the bandage come off of your foot.
Take it off.
Take it off.
By the time, come like something down a river.
Like something a river. Could have back one sharp stone. Near the water?
Oh. Like when she come up with a...
I got a back layer piece or something. Tara, don't look for me. Tara, don't look for me. Don't talk, huh? Talk in a cool. She not cool. Hey, it's been a while, I don't swim up here now. Very, very long time. Eh?
Through the pool.
Yeah, true, there's no pool. So that means that the whole of the sun have to go dig out back.
You might just turn it. Can you pull it together? Talk up. Listen now.
Stay down. No. Come on, river. Hug it down. Yeah, hug it down.
At least in my enjoy the river. At least. Cool. Yeah, we got change then. We go and go change then. We go and go change. So guys, you know the thing, so we got head out now in a minute. Because then we come to swim, but we thought the pool was here, but there's no pool. Pool gone.
Come out here, I know you're cold. When I go around and change.
Cool too.
Yeah. I'm going to change her.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll come back, come work. Ready? All I want to do tomorrow is bring the shovel and set up the bag then and bank it up back. Baja, them say them a come back in the morning to win them.
Yeah?
Yeah. So it come like it's a large pot of cook wow.
I'm more good at each other point to it out of there.
It's a sharp fish. Shay, where you say you have fish?
Yeah, you want me to carry them?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'll come pick some big one and get.
Okay. So we can.
Them scale already. Mm-hmm. Scale already. We can get some more too.
You ever eat black bean stew?
From anything when natural, me I gotta eat it.
Alright.
When me not like what it tastes,
When you talk to boy, that's the thing going, you know, natural, you know.
Yeah.
When we cook, yeah.
Yeah, Kina talk about, you know, natural, you know.
Yeah, man, I gotta
Black
eat
beans,
it.
And the pumpkin, you know, and
As
natural.
long as it's good for the system, me I gotta eat.
Well, it's just like stew peas. I like stew peas, you know. But I was black
I
bean
eat
stew
black
peas.
bean before, but never eat the stew peas.
Oh, when you go love it, you lick your 10 finger them so.
No, I'm gonna need the finger them for working them. Yeah, I lick them off. I'm gonna need them
Daddy,
for...
you know, say I'm not ready for going, man. No, me I say better I make a house at the river and stay.
Can't stay him now for going.
I got me I say. See this?
Be careful, you know.
I don't want to lose the
Where you say you go so them see me cranberry?
No, you know some love broke walking man.
Yeah, the whole time people talk about provoking, you know?
Yeah. Because she's an old soul, that's why, you know? Provoking. She's a very old soul. I charge the banana them here too? Cranberry. I charge the banana them here too?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. What that way we are go? Oh, boom there.
One.
Okay.
Okay, no, can get
Si boom there back here. Si boom there back. You know si boom there.
This is a part of heaven. This is a part of heaven. When you come, don't want to leave. This is a part of heaven. I say he lives inside of me. He lives inside of me. This is a part of heaven. He lives inside of me. He is my God, and only Him, and only Him. He lives inside. He is the God that I worship, and only Him. He is the God that I serve. He lives inside of this universe. He is the only King.
Yeah. That, clap my Tara, clap my Tara. You know, clap for me. Tara cool, man.
Alright, guys. Safe journey.
Yeah.
And see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And everybody that come here, may God bless you and walk with God.
Thank you so much. So tomorrow I know the
Alright,
work.
say bye. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. So she back tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pineda! Pineda, where are you?
Pinedo, it's summer, you come back so brown from what's going on?
Come, Pineda, come!
Pinedo, what's happened to your face?
You know the thing.
Yeah.
Somebody go and film pop show them to go cook the
Pinedo.
Pineda pants tight.
Yeah, Pinedo, what happened to your pants? Eh? Yeah. Pinedo, your face so brown and your body black.
He was black.
Man say far. Pinedo say, I was in foreign and your face alone brown, Pinedo. Pinedo. And it's summer now. So
Pineda pants tight.
what? Pinedo. What happened to your uniform? Why is stuck so close to your face?
We will young dash go again. Let's get it.
Charge it. Man in the morning. So have everything lined up here? Yeah. Oh, teach them shit, teach them. Teach them shit, teach them.
I made it.
At least in a drop.
No.
Watch out. Yo. Eh? Yeah, I just see him a while ago. I link him. Alright, let me link him. Yeah.
You want Aki, Daddy?
Eh?
Aki?
Daddy, I am not tired.
He said no.
Ah! You're not playing that game. No.
Yo, so why should I take off our slippers and let's walk in the water?
Why? No, the water touch her, the water wet.
The water wet. She don't want the water to touch her because the water is wet.
Oh, the water for wet.
Oi! Driver!
They're not the Nola. Yeah, you're cool now. Whoa. Hey, I see that you are good youth, you know. Him. Yeah. I used to ever try, you know. Cause him bag out them son here for his mother, you know. And bring them up on the hill because she render a place.
So you have somebody who live beside
Yeah, and we up. Oh yeah, up on the top. No, not that one there. Up more. A student live up there, them that student.
Oh, okay.
A 8 room up there, you know. 8 room. Behind the old, yeah? Yeah. Happy ready?
Yeah, man. Ballad!
Come on, come, man. See that come. So, I bring some things there. Come, boom, come collect these. Oh, Aki. See the house there, up there, sir. Where the music I play from.
You want to see they have someone because of pirate.
Pirate?
Yeah, we cook. These cook.
Oh. Okay.
And this.
The men are cook. Ballad, we have some Aki, we said 30 grand. Season rice.
Oh,
There's the boom. We are cook yours.
Put it in the bag.
Alright, thanks, Ballin.
Ballin.
Give me a change.
You want a change?
Yeah, man. Let me stick Ballin. Don't want to get too up over here. Let me
give Ballin a change.
Yeah, man. Give him a little small food change, you know?
Yeah. Some food change down, so.
Man, one food change down, so.
Alright, Ballin. Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Ballin. Let me stick here, please.
Give Ballin a food change, you know. Yeah, give Ballin that kind of blue whale. Like one of the blue whale them, you know.
See the fruits them now and can't come here again.
Yeah. Nana! Baja, you know, man. I can't pop show you see one play like Baja. I can't. Now, when I buy them, I run boat tomorrow. I say, yeah, Baja.
Tina, come here.
Baja, I sample everything there when I cook.
Come here, I'm chat here.
Yeah. Eh?
I read one in big. I'm giving Nana one biggest one. I don't give me none.
I get now, you get up.
One of the bird I eat. The big man fall through the man, let's say,
Yeah, man. Go and get no. Me here, please, around.
Pop show and hockey?
Come on, boss. Oh, did my boy already?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
My boy already, man.
Alright then, so see you later.
No,
tomorrow.
No, don't see a move side here, no, move like Tokyo, you see him? Move like Tokyo, see a side. Yeah, sure, be a side is your child. Child, what one?
I left me here, I left the bag with the hockey.
No, that you want, yeah, she want to left the bag with the hockey.
No, him.
So you want to left the bag with the hockey.
Later.
The jackpot are there.
Any finger? I cut the finger.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.